Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to restart your laptop. To do that, you can click on the Start menu, then on the Power Options, and then select Restart. But if you can't restart your device this way because, for example, your display is frozen, then the other way to restart it is the manual way by holding down the power key for a while until the light goes off on the button like this. And once the light goes down, you can turn on your PC again by clicking this button once again shortly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.